Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms of herlovelyplan, and if this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, welcome. And to everyone else that has been rocking with me for a minute now, thank you for coming back. So today's video is a collab video with my planner sis, my little big sister, my YouTube, social media, unofficial mentor, Michelle. She reached out to me and asked me that I want to do a What's in Your Bag collaboration. And I was like, do I even have a bag? And I was like, sure. I'll be more than happy to join her in this collab. So if you want to see what's in my bag, keep watching. Okay, so I actually have two bags. One bag is my everyday carry, in which I carry typically when I am working at the salon, which is Wednesday through Saturday. And I have this amazing backpack from Target. And I did a product review, and I'll add the link in the description box, and I might put it up at the top of the video. But this is a very sturdy, nice quality bag, and I take this with me pretty much Wednesday through Saturday because it's easy to carry and I can just put it on my back. Normally I use it with one shoulder, but everything that I have in the bag that I'm showing you today, 9 times out of 10, it's in this bag. So sometimes my bags differ, but what I carry is pretty much always the same. On the weekends when I'm going out with the hubs, if I'm going to church, I do prefer to carry a more sophisticated adult-like bag. So I have this bag, and I actually just did a product review on this bag as well, to show you how much stuff you can stuff in your bag. So some of the things that you saw in that video may be the same, but a lot of it is different. So let's see what I stuffed in this large tote bag. Okay, so of course you guys know I already carry my A5 traveler's notebook with me everywhere I go. Even if I don't carry a bag and I'm just running out to the store, it's always my A5 in my wallet. So typically when I carry it inside of a bag, I always keep it in a tote, just because she is too pretty to scratch up. And this is I'm not going to take it all the way out, but this is my Foxy Fix A5 travel's notebook. It was a 4-string, but I added new string to it and made it a 6-string traveler's notebook. Next is my wallet, and it's probably time to retire this wallet, but she's been so good to me and she's so sturdy. Again, this is another Target buy. I buy a lot of my items from Target because if you are shopping on a budget, or if you like to, have multiple items to switch up, sometimes it doesn't make sense to spend a lot of money on one wallet if you know that you're gonna swap it out a lot. Or if you just are trying to wash those coins and you want a very good quality bag or wallet or whatever the case may be, shop at Target. Target has really good prices with really, really good quality items. And they're not sponsoring this video, but maybe one day they will. So this is my wallet. It's a checkbook size wallet, so you can kind of see that it is kind of big, and I keep shaking the camera. So these are the two that go in here. Let's see. Now, because it's lady time, I have my lady time pouch, and I'm not going to open it up because if any of you all are a lady that still has lady time, you pretty much know what's in here. But this is what I carry because it's small and discreet, and if I need to, if I don't want to carry this whole bag to the restaurant with me, I can just take this. It's cute. People will think it's a makeup bag. They'll never know. So that's a tip. If you got lady stuff, put it in a cute little pouch so they never know what's in it. And now this one right here, this is my personal little pouch. I got this from Victoria's Secret. You know, when you spend a certain amount of money, you get something free. So I got this along with the makeup bag. But this is the travel size. And I kind of just put my essentials in here. I have hand sanitizer, my favorite hand cream. Can you see that? Upside down. Hold on. There we go. You can't see it. There you go. It's Dove Insta Cream. Now, I don't know if you can find this everywhere. I've found it at the Dollar Tree. And when I say you can use this all over your body, but I'm a hairstylist and my hands get so dry. And I do have water-induced eczema on one finger. So weird. But I'll accept it because I know a lot of hairstylists that have it on all 10 fingers. But this cream is so amazing. But this is not a what kind of cream I use video. So like I said, I have hand sanitizer, my lip gloss, my chapstick, and I always try to keep some cleansing, facial cleansing cloths, because again, I do hair, so a lot of times the oil and stuff is piled up on me. So sometimes I like to wipe my face off during the day. And these are olive oil. Olive oil. Is it olive oil or olive? It's olive oil. Yeah. Then I have my little facial powder, in which I don't do a lot of facial makeup. Mascara, because where would I be without Jesus, coffee, and mascara? And I don't have it in here because I need some more. But you guys, I'm not naturally blessed with these eyebrows. So I normally carry me an eyebrow pencil as well, because you never know when you might wipe it off by accident. Or when you're cleansing your face, you need them. So let's see what I have in here next. So I have my work keys, because you know, you never know when you got to go to the salon. And I don't like to, whatever bag I switch to, I always switch it into that bag, because you never know. Sometimes you may have a lazy day and you don't have time, or you just don't feel like swapping all your bags out. So these have to always go in whatever bag I carry. Then, yes, I'm old school, but I still carry these little fobby things. Most of them are for the library, and other things are like Office Max and CVS, because I never remember the phone number that I used. So I just keep these with me, because you know I'm all about saving them coins. Let's see, I feel like it's like a never ending. So then I have my pen pouch, and I use my pen pouch for a few things. I keep some of my essentials that I need to have, like you always need your whiteouts, because if you're writing in your planner and you make a mistake and you don't have a sticker to cover it up, there's always whiteout. Then I have a variety of pens, and these are like my I'm okay to part with pens. What is a I'm okay to part with pen? If someone asks me to borrow my pen and they don't give it back, I'm not going to be super heartbroken. This is the pouch that I go in. Now I gotta stock up, because sometimes my husband needs to borrow a pen and he already know. Well, first of all, if I hand him this pen, he'd be like, boo, you got another pen? So yeah. So I try to keep pens in here that are manly. So then I have my iPad, and my iPad don't go with me all the time. But because this is one of those days that I needed my iPad, is with me. But this goes with me every day that I'm at work, because I use it to check my appointments, because I have Style Seat, and it's just easier to use this on that than my phone. And then when I want to watch YouTube in between clients, who wants to watch on the phone when you can have a better view? So let's see what else I have. So a girl got to have her gum, and I got two different kinds. And I've seen this, but I've never tried it. This is the Mental Pure Fresh, and it's got like the little filling, the green tea extract, I guess, in the middle. You see the little, can you see it? Oh, there you go. It's got the little stuff in the middle. So anyway, I saw this on one of my fellow planner babes Insta stories. I was like, let me try this gum out. Normally I like to get the bigger pack of gum, but anytime I'm experimenting, I like to try just the regular sizes. I've been doing this Trident, but it seems like it get hard too fast. Always got to have some Kleenex. Oops. Always got to have some Kleenex, because you never know when you might, shed a tear, or in my case, if I'm ministering to someone and they start crying, I have some tissues because, you know, don't nobody want to walk around with no snotty nose. So yeah, so when I'm I can't talk today, ministering to people, which either praying or just sharing a testimony, I don't know, I just seem like I always make people cry, and that's not my intention. So the least I can do is hand you a tissue. And I'm not sponsored by Kleenex either. Let's see what I have in here next. So this is my business card pouch. And typically I just keep mines and my hubs. And I call my husband Hubs. I just think it's cute. You know, I don't want to say hub. What do they say? Husband or hubby. Everybody say that. So I say Hubs. So this is just a variety of our business cards. Man, hold please. Okay, I'm back. So this is a variety of our business cards, and I mean, I'm showing you what's in my bag, so I gotta show you my cards. So this is my business card for my hair salon business, and that's called Hair Couture Salon. Let's see. I feel like I'm shuffling a deck of cards. These ones are for my ministry works, for her testimony, and all of my cards. I didn't show you the back of this one. This has all my social media and my website and contact information. And the same is on the back of my ministry cards. Can you see? Has all my social media. And I use Vistaprint to create my own business cards. This is my husband's cards. I don't have his business card for the detail shop, but this is for a G-Man Ministry. And these are all public numbers, so don't freak out and be like, oh my gosh, you're putting your phone number online. It's public. You can go to our websites, our social medias, and all of these phone numbers are public, and they are business lines. So if you got a business need, give us a call. So let's see what else is in here. My sunglasses. And typically these are my sunglasses I wear all the time. They're very, very inexpensive. Again, I think another Target buy. It just, for me, well, sunglasses, and I think I saw somebody else say this on their what's in their bag video, but I'm the same way. I have had designer sunglasses, and I have either broken the arm on them, which is, this is the arm, or I've lost them, or whatever the case may be. And when you spend over $100 on some sunshades and they go missing or they break, you get real heartbroken. So I just like to get inexpensive ones. Anything that's like between $5 and $10. I may even pay $20, just depending on how, you know, bougie. I'm not gonna say bougie, but just depending on how they look. But yeah, so I typically keep these as my everyday, and they got a scratch on it anyway. So that's why, like, these have scratches on here. I would have been devastated if these were $100+ shades. So let's see. Check all the pockets. And like I said, I did a video on this bag, so if you want to see all the compartments, you can check the video out, and the link will be in the description box as well as up top. So this last and final bag, and before I move on, these two bags actually came out of Simply Gilded boxes. And if you guys get Simply Gilded boxes and you don't know what to use your pouches for, let this be maybe a help for you. Like I said, this is my lady bag. Very cute. No one will ever know what it's in here. They'll either assume it's makeup or just your little handbag. And then this one right here, which was an exclusive collaboration with Posh Plans and Gold Mine and Cocoa. You can't find this bag anymore. But this bag, if you don't carry A5, this could fit a couple of planners, maybe a mini and a B6, or I don't think a classic can fit in there. But anyway, so this last pouch right here, this is a must carry pouch. If I don't carry anything else besides my traveler's notebook and my wallet, I have to carry this. This houses my charger, and what I do with my charger, and this is another tip, because I don't want my wire to be all over the place and take up space, I use one of these elastics. You see, I use one of these elastics that I purchased when I was making pin loops with the little binder clips, and I had extras, and I was like, hey, I can use this to keep my cord and my charger together. I do have a smaller cord, but I typically use this for my iPad, so what do you call this, the base. I do have a smaller one, but this one normally goes with me all the time because I need for work. And you got to have at least 1 or 2 extra charging devices. I actually got this from Office Max. It was on sale for $8. It's ultra slim. It's a power bank, and the capacity is 2,500 mAh's, if that makes any sense to you guys. And then this one I got when I upgraded my phone at Sprint is a Samsung 5100. So sleek, and all you do is press the buttons and it's activated. Let's turn it off because I don't want to use up my juice. And then this one, you just press the button on this and you can see it's fully charged. So typically, if I know I'm going out, I'll try to charge these up in advance so I don't have to worry about my battery. And because typically it's always me and my husband, one for him, one for me. And lastly, you know, the only reason I am getting on this bandwagon is because it was gifted to my husband, and I had to make the executive decision to go ahead and commandeer his or take over. I don't know if commandeer was the right word, but confiscate. That's what I'm looking for. I had to confiscate these. I had to confiscate these from him. These are the AirPods, and I had been needing some earbuds anywhere, some earphones, because mine had died, and this was gifted to him. And my husband, let's just say, he's a man's man, and ain't nobody got time for replacing these earbuds. So I can't even say it right, earbuds. So I have these, so I keep the case in here, and if I'm not using them, I put my AirPods, whatever you want to call them. I put my AirPods back in there and into the bag. So that's what's in my bag, and whether it's in this bag or this bag, that's all the stuff I carry in my bag. Very rarely will you find me without a bag. Sometimes I do carry a smaller bag if you know I'm going to church and I don't want to carry all of this stuff with me. Typically, it's very rare that I carry that small bag. So yeah, so that's what's in my bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Michelle's video to see what's in her bag. I know she got a whole lot of stuff in her bag. So Michelle, tag you're it. Go check her video out. And before you go, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you never miss a live stream or a new video. And as well, give me a big old thumbs up if you like this video and if you like seeing what was in my bag. So until next time, Planner fam, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.